Oh yeah, oh yeah. What? I'm making a chocolate frappe. Wow! Wow!
She made chocolate frappe and left everything, and she is just sitting there drinking and watching TV.
I'll clean it off though, like.
Oh, okay, thank you. At least you'll do it now. I was getting ready and I was going to apply the lipstick, then I decided to share it with you all too. So I'm using this Maybelline Superstar Teddy Tint for the first time, and I think this one is the color I want for today. It's dark. So Esha opened this one, and this one is in the shade 25 Baby Tea. Can you see it? Okay, I never tried it, so we are going to use this one. The packaging is cute, and I got all 2, 4, 6, 8. I've got 8 shades, but I didn't try. So this is how the applicator looks. Let's apply. Let's just shake a bit. I think I like the color, but let's reapply. Not bad. I think it's kind of matching the bottle's lid, as you can see. I think I'm liking it. It's gorgeous and I just love these types of color. It's good for spring, summer, and this is the finished look. I didn't do much makeup. Today was that kind of day. I didn't want to do anything. I just felt like sleeping more. But I woke up 9:30 today, and sharing daily vlogs is a goal. Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? I'm good. So as you can see, I just got ready and tried this lipstick. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. At the moment, I'm feeling good because I am ready, and today I have to do something's best. I have to go clean my fridge because I didn't do it yesterday. And guys, I ordered grocery last night at around 12, and this is the oil. I think I'll just apply a little bit oil because it's been a while I didn't style my hair. So today I thought I'll do it, and I wanted to wear some lashes, but then I thought no, just leave it. I'll give my lashes some rest. By the way, I have used this mascara. This is by Maybelline. They are Kale Bounce Mascara. It's been lying here, so I just started to use it, and literally guys, this is just so good, so good. Look at my lashes, oh my gosh, this is cute. And yeah, I hope you are liking my makeup. It's so simple. You can literally see my skin, which I love. No smoothness at all, guys. Nah, just original real skin. Okay, so I have used this Rimmel's Lasting Finish foundation. I applied just one coat, can see it's cute. And this one is in shade 302 warm olive, which is so good. I like it. And the concealer by Maybelline, it's their multi-use concealer. This one, it's one of the favorite. And like the lip liner I have applied is this by Wet n Wild, Berry Red 717. This one, guys. Okay, let me check if I got the email from Coles, because it's 12 now. I got a new watch, not this one. I think it arrived yesterday, but I can't open because it's by one company. That's a smartwatch, which I will show when other things arrive, because they sent 3 packages or 4 packages. So one came, I think 2, 3 is on the way. And let's see if that watch is good. Let's go clean my fridge. This perfume, have you all tried? Like, it's so good. Okay, so this is the small fridge. I think it's clean. I'm not going to do anything up. And this is the bottom part. I think I'll move everything and I'll wipe. And this is the big fridge, guys. It's really messy. I think I'll take out everything and wipe. And it's quite empty. This side is quite empty too. We'll just fill it up today. Before cleaning the fridge, make sure you take out everything from the fridge and then clean and organize. I also took out the 2 trays from there, which is out there. So these are the things which I took out, and I have to see what I have to like throw from here. Almost done. Look at Esha's makeup she did by herself. Looks so cute. She also did her lashes. Wow, it looks so pretty. Yay. How are you doing?
Great.
Ready? This thing is so yummy, guys. Isha loves it. She buys this all the time.
So much.
Yum. Have you guys tried this popcorn? It's yummy.
My nail broke. It looks so creepy from this angle.
They are listening to the sounds hubby is making. क्यूटी पाई खाली बैठा, काम नहीं मांगे करे. हम बोला कपड़ा रखो, बर्तन रखो, बट बैठा है.
If you can, I'll do the dishes. Look at her grabbing the She's doing it. Oh, so doing it at easy, yes, sir.
She's getting mad at the songs she's playing on Spotify. If I cook this curry inside, my kitchen will get so dirty and I don't want to clean it all the time. So I got this stove from Bunnings and I'm cooking outside. It's good. This is done. I'll add lots of coriander leaves. Baby is doing laundry. Yeah. You're doing by yourself, baby. Money le le humse.
I deserve more money.
Oh my gosh. Okay, the curry is done. Look how yummy it looks. Gosh, guys. That's a very yummy spicy chicken curry. Also, rice is done. And I'm going to make some salad later. Or we are going to eat with some pickles. That's it for dinner tonight.